Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account. And click on the top right corner in your profile and scroll all the way down. You can see settings where you can see English and United States. Click on United States. Now it will ask you to select your preferred country or region, and you can click on the drop down menu and choose your country or region. For now I'll choose Saudi Arabia. And now if we click on go to website, we have successfully changed our country to Saudi Arabia. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.